Hi everyone. Today I'm going to show you a herbal soupy noodle recipe which is very essential to boost your immunity during this pandemic and at all times. Knowing the fact that instant noodles is a junk food, we always fall back to it. For a change, this is a herbal noodles. Here is a platter of immunity boosting ingredients. They are easily available at all our households. So first in the list is lemon. It is rich in vitamin C, helps in digestion, and also a great immunity booster. Next is ginger. With its medicinal oils, it helps us fight against flu, cold, and sore throat. Next is garlic. Helps to purify blood. It's antibacterial, antiparasitic. And next is pepper. Is high in antioxidants and helps you get rid of any kind of congestion or breathing related problems. Next is turmeric, which is also called as curcumin, is antibacterial and prevents any kind of respiratory infections or respiratory allergies. Next is green chili. It reduces body temperature, improves immunity, and also acts as a great pain relief. The last is coriander. It promotes your gut health, which is all your stomach and intestine, and is a great immunity booster. Along with this, all of these vegetables are optional. I have taken a multi-grain noodles. You could take wheat noodles or oat noodles. And here is a cup of soya granules or meal maker, which is coarse. And just to add up the flavor, I'm adding these vegetables. And we are not going to add the noodle taste powder to this dish. Now let's grind the coriander, ginger, some green chilies, pepper, lemon, a half juice of lemon, and turmeric into a fine paste. Yes, now let's get cooking. In a hot pan, add some oil. I have chopped half of the ginger because half of the other ginger has been grinded to a paste. Now into this, I'm adding 3 glasses of hot water just to speed up the cooking. Into this, I'm also adding our immunity boosting juice that we just grinded. I'm now adding the soya granules into this because it has to get boiled in the water. Along with this, I'm adding a half a cup of chopped cabbage. Green peas will be added later. A bit of salt as required. Some turmeric. Now the noodles goes in. Cook it for like 5 to 7 minutes, just as you regularly cook your noodles. I'm going to add half a cup of green peas now because it cooks in like 2 minutes. I'm also going to add some besan flour, 1 teaspoon mixed with water just to thicken the soup, and some pepper at this stage. You can avoid the besan flour if you do not want to thicken it. It's up to you. And that is it. Our healthy and tasty immunity boosting soupy noodles is ready. Just like how we say rasam in South India is a soothing and a comforting dish, the same way this herbal soupy noodles gives you all the effect of soothing and comforting feel, and of course it's great immunity booster. I'll see you all in another short and simple video. Until then, bye.